Good morning, Standard 9 students. Now, the last class was when Bassanio had asked Lancelot as to why he is leaving a rich man's job to join a poor fellow's job. Okay? And very intelligently, Lancelot had explained. He says, the old proverb is very well parted between my master Shylock and you, sir. Means it is a good example where you two are concerned. It says you have the grace of God. It means that you are a very good human being. He had enough means he only has sufficient money. He has plenty of money, but he is not a good human being. So that is the difference between you and Shylock. So you have got the grace of God, you have got the blessing of God. That means you are a wonderful or a very good human being. Now, Bassanio was succumbed to this flattery. He was very impressed. So he tells him, thou speakest it well. He says, you spoke very well. Go, father, with thy son, take leave of thy old master, and inquire my lodging out. So he was so impressed that he immediately gave him the job. So he tells old man, go, take your son and go to Shylock and take leave in a proper manner. Inform him that you are leaving his job. And then find out where I stay. Come and meet me. Then he gives to one of his fellows, give him a livery. That means that is the appointment letter. Give him a uniform. But his uniform, more guarded than his fellows. See it done. Means his uniform has to be stitched in a special manner and different from the rest of the servants. So Bassanio was so impressed with the way Lancelot replied to that question of his. Okay? Lancelot, very excited now, means his dream has come true. He wanted to serve Bassanio, and so it is. Means Bassanio has given him the job. Now he is very excited about it. Okay. So he tells now his life is going to change. So he is expressing his happiness to his father. He says, see, there is no other job better than this. Means I can never get a better job than working under Bassanio. Okay. He says, now I have no words to express, but he talks. Okay. He says, I do not know what to say. But then he says a lot of things. Then he says, he looks at his palm and he is explaining it to his father. See the line. Okay. Now this is the humor. His father is practically blind. He could not recognize his son standing right in front of him. Do you mean he will to see the line sitting in the palm? So he's saying, see this line of marriage. And his father also seeing, as if he could see it very clearly or distinctly. He says, this line, first let me explain. He says, you can check all over Italy. Anyone who knows to read the palm, a palmist, okay, who is well read, well knowledgeable, he will tell you what a good fortune I have. Means what a wonderful life I am going to lead, or I am going to live. So you can ask anybody, the best read palmist all over Italy, he will tell you about the wonderful life I am going to lead. Then he says, see, Father, my marriage life. This line deals with my marriage life. So, but there is some trifle, there will be some confusion. Small fights will take place. Trifle means when we have a quarrel, especially at home, when the husband, wife, like some khatpat takes place. So it's a small trifle, nothing serious. Why? Because in my life, I will have 15 wives. Okay, 15 wives. People get fed up with one, and when the second one comes, then there is hangama. He is going to get 15 wives. So it's not only 15 wives, even 11 widows are also there in my life. 15 wives, 11 widows. That is not enough. I will also be having 9 unmarried girls. In my life, I will be surrounded by women. Okay. Now, you have to understand, Lancelot has only got a servant's job under Bassanio, but he is dreaming very big. Now he is thinking that he has become a big celebrity. Like how when you see Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan and all these celebrities, when they move, the girls go crazy. They can't control their emotions, they start shouting, screaming, and he's now trying to consider himself like that. So that is his good fortune. Then he says, in my life, I will be drowning 3 times, thrice. And all the 3 times I will be saved. I will escape from death 3 times while drowning. It's written in my hand. But I have to be very careful when I am sleeping on a soft feather bed. I may lose my life in that. So now this is the wonderful life I will be leading. Okay. Then he says, if fortune be a woman, a lady. Now in most of Shakespeare's plays, fortune is always an imaginary figure which he considered it to be a woman. Okay. And most of these women are all blind. So that is why he said, if fortune be a woman, and if this life is given to me, then that woman, that lady, is a good wench. Means is a good lady. Says, come on, Father, I shall go. We both shall go immediately to Shylock's house and tell him that we are leaving the service as soon as possible. And blinking of an eye means patafat. Okay. So I'll keep. Then enters Gratiano. But Gratiano's part I will not explain now. Tomorrow I shall do the needful. Okay, thank you. And one more thing, that again tomorrow is your literature test. Portion is Act 2, Scene 1 at 7:30 p.m. Wish you all the best. Thank you.